Hi guys, it's Grant for Local Scraper, and I just wanted to walk you through your first scrape with Google Quick. Google Quick is the first option up here under Scrape Targets. Google Quick is a scraper for Google Maps. It is just named Google Quick because it is a quick scrape, and I'll go over that in a second. Google Full is also Google Maps, but it goes into more details. So for right now, we're going to stick with Google Quick. We're going to enter our keyword. I'm going to use pizza. I'm going to use Key West, Florida. If I didn't want to set any other options, I could click Start Scrape Now. But for the sake of time, I'm going to go to Options and set our max listings to 20. If I didn't set any max listings here, it would continue until it no longer had listings, which could be 1,000 results or something like that. So for the sake of time, I'll just set it for that. And what we're going to do is we're going to hit Start Scrape. The program will now go to Google Maps. You'll see at the bottom, see how it said you're in light mode? The scraper doesn't support light mode, so what it's going to do is it's going to refresh the page and do some kind of wizardry until it gets to the full version, as you see now. It's kind of technical, so I won't go into how we're doing that. But once it gets to the full version, it will start scraping the details. Now what Google Quick scrapes is just this information that's visible right here. So as you see, it has a street address, but it is only the name of the street. It doesn't have the numbers of the city or the zip code or anything. It has the name, the reviews, the number of reviews. It'll get this image here, and it will tell you if the business has been closed or not. We're always adding new things to the scrapers, so this price might be included soon, and it seems that there is now a little description, and we'll see about adding that too. Hopefully in the future, Google will change how this looks, because prior to this, we didn't actually get, we actually did get the full street address and phone number prior to this version of Google Maps. So hopefully they'll change that in the future, but for right now we're getting what we can from the information they give. So as you see here, it went through the pages. Since each page has 10 listings, it only had to go through 3 pages of Google. It scraped all 30 listings, and then it organized the data down here below. As you see, we have the name, street address, category, rating, reviews, that little description I mentioned. None of the restaurants were Zagat rated. None of them were listed as permanently closed, and it gathered the image URL. As I pointed out, here is the street address. Sadly, that is what they give us, so that's what we scraped. When you want to see these details in Excel, just open the scraper folder, which is here. It will automatically be saved into the same folder as the program is located. If you just double click them, they will open in Microsoft Excel, and here is all of our data. Okay, it's pretty simple. Another option that you have, which I will go over quickly, is that you can use Google Chrome with Google Quick. See, Google Quick and Google Full are supported currently. If you have Chrome installed, you can use this option. So we will go back, and now I will run the same scrape again. But now this time, the scraper will do it using Google Chrome. I'll move this over so you can see it. Now what the program is doing is it is automating Google Chrome to do exactly the same thing we did before. So it will go through the 3 pages of results and gather the details. Now, why you would want to use Google Chrome is because sometimes the built-in browser cannot get to the full version of Google Chrome. If it can't, I mean the full version of Google Maps, mine was able to when I showed this little tutorial. But if it can't, then you might want to switch to Google Chrome. Another reason is that it is much better with built-in memory. So as you saw, it opened Google Chrome, it did the search, and then it closed Google Chrome, which means that memory management is better with them. So as you see, we have the exact same details over again. We have automated our scrape now through Google Chrome instead of the built-in browser down here, and we have the same output. And since the scrape was exactly the same, it overwrote the file that we had, so there's not a new file or anything. So that's it. That's it for Google Quick. If you want to learn about the other scrapers, I'll be making more videos about those.